I've got to be honest, when I took office in January of 2020, there are a few days that I've looked forward to more than this day here today. And the reason that I'm looking forward to it is because today we have an opportunity to turn metaphor into reality. By taking down this fence today, we are closing one chapter of our community story, and we are beginning another. The fence has been here as a result of the previous use. The previous use was the old Mount Vernon Tennis and Athletic Facility. It was a private club for those who had memberships, and the fence was to separate that use from the broader community. What we're proposing to do with this facility is make it a community center. So as a result, we need to make sure that the residents who are adjacent to this community center have easy access to it.
Just the fact that they're opening this fence is the biggest dream, I would say. The fence has been here for quite a while, and it divides the communities. It doesn't unite them. So I feel like breaking this wall is not only going to open careers and opportunities, but it's also going to open up friendship, getting to know different cultures, and honestly, knowing your neighbor.
This event is so significant to the community because it represents a physical display of the work that the county, the community partners like myself, and so many others are seeking to do, and that is create one community working in a collective manner to create successful outcomes for generations to come.
So if we think about this as a community center asset, which is similar to many other community centers that are in Fairfax County, it'll have recreational space for kids to come and play basketball, they can play tennis, pickleball, and other athletic uses. In addition, which I think this is so important, there'll be a child care component, there'll be opportunities for tutoring for kids. And what we're doing that's unique, that no other community center in Fairfax County has, is we're going to place a training center for skills and employment for both the residents and the kids to learn about new technologies. They can learn about welding, they can learn about, HVAC systems, they can learn about med tech. And this is the best part of it, the opportunity for the residents to make a decent wage. Many of our residents are in lower paid retail positions. Those positions might pay them $10, $12 an hour if they're lucky. We're looking at trades positions, med tech positions, technology positions that will start at $20, $24 an hour. So we're talking about transforming the lives of the people who live in this area and making it better for them and their families.